Sonia. Welcome back to my vlog, Living the Creative Life. And today we've got a super cute, petite, small, fun flip. What we're gonna do is we're gonna paint dolls' furniture, make these super cute, but also I'm gonna show you how I will repurpose them. I will actually keep them for myself to store some things in, and I am going to show you and maybe blow your mind to reconsider the next time you see doll furniture and how you too might use them. So I got these pieces for $4 and change a piece. How many times have you seen furniture like this? The hearts typically dates it to maybe the 80s woodworking. This is doll furniture, so a heart works perfect for it. Let's pick a fun color and get on with it, shall we? So the color I'm gonna pull out today is Sunshine Yellow. Some days you just gotta create your own sunshine, you know what I'm saying? So let's pop the lid, give it a quick stir. Look at that beautiful yellow. Hello, making me happy. We grab the chalky style paint, sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. Dusting is optional. We don't judge around these parts. Have a brush and go bananas. Shabby chip brush. Did I just get paint in my coffee? No, I didn't. Phew. Coffee brush. It helps for balance if you have one in each hand. Just saying. So let's go ahead, grab a brush, go bananas. We're gonna use the shabby chip brush, and overall, we're gonna get this beautiful distressed effect. I always tell you guys that when you are painting, paint in the direction of the wood. So this piece has a nice plank that comes straight up the back. So I'm gonna bring my brush stroke straight up through. Does that make sense? Well, that was really super fast, right? That's the way I like it. Shabby, beautiful, quick. I wish I could say it took a whole lot more, but it doesn't because the paint makes it so easy. And the fact that it's already drying so quickly, I haven't even taken a heat gun to it or really been here that long, and already this is all dried. So I'm just gonna walk away, maybe go say hello to a few customers downstairs, come back upstairs, finish this paint job, and then we will distress. All right, the next step we do is grab a sand block. I'm gonna reuse one that I've got here with a little bit of yellow already on it. When you're distressing, you always want to think about where you're putting the distressing is where natural wear and tear would actually occur. It's always going to be distressing on the edges because that's where things catch, like where your feet would hang over your chair as an example. So when you put your distressing in the right places, in the authentic places, your piece is going to look more professional overall versus having spots of distressing in places where it probably wouldn't naturally occur. So guys, I've got two options to seal at this point. I can either grab for my Monkey Shine, which is our all-natural beeswax oil finish polish, or for our banana peel. And I always go with this one if I have something to protect that's definitely gonna get a super lot of use, like a lot of high traffic. But this is doll furniture, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna repurpose it for in just a second. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some Monkey Shine because it's gonna be so easy to put on, and it's gonna look amazing. I've got my brush, I've got my can of Monkey Shine, and now we're gonna go bananas with this. And it's really fun when you apply Monkey Shine because what it does is it immediately just sharpens all your paint pigments, and now they just come bursting forward. Can you see already on the inside here the difference? Monkey Shine loves wood. It's like giving your wood a big old drink of cool, tall glass of water. So we put it on all over, and then we're gonna buff. Next up, we're gonna grab a buffing cloth to go ahead and basically take off any sort of residue that will be left on the surface. Perfect, right? So yes, you could gift them to a little girl in your life. You could put something on display that maybe you've kept for a while, like a special doll in your life or teddy bear or something like that. Never too old to have a teddy bear that you love. For me, I am going to make use of them right here in my studio because I am a book lover, if you guys don't know that yet, and so I always have a couple books going at any given time. These are perfect to hold my books. Watch this. So I grabbed a pile This one was recommended to me. Has anybody read it out there yet by the local bookstore? This one was a good book, and then I went to see it into theaters. These were recommended to me by my friend Aloria. And they need a buddy. And there we go. How cute is that to just have here in my studio to hold the books that I'm currently reading. Books make me happy, and I think they should have a happy place too. As Marie Kondo says, everything should have a home. Question of the day, would you have thought to repurpose thrift store children's furniture into a bookshelf for yourself? Will you think differently next time you're out and about and you see something like this? All right, and with that, I am out of here. See you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Be sure to leave a comment below. I'm gonna join you in the comment section and hit that little bell. What it does is it will alert you every single time that we have another upload so you don't miss a fun project. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.